Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we meet again. Still with me, Rima Wanti Fauzia. We meet in the 7th meeting of the Advanced Database. Still with me and my lecturer, Mr. Rengga Asmara Eskom OZA. Now in the 7th meeting, we will discuss about export and import in Oracle. What is it and how? So let's go. Objectives. So we have purpose on this theory, on this meeting now is just one, to understand the concept of export and import in Oracle. Next. So what is export and import? Export makes file which needed for file transfer. File which made by export is a binary file called dump or tmp.tmp file. This file can read only by the import utility which retrieves the information from dump file to database. So export and import which have result to tmp file is only exists in Oracle. So we cannot import this tmp file into another database. How to export? To export, you can use command prompt and ISQL Plus to export. Maybe for the beginner, using SQL Plus is easier because why? Because it's using on the GUI, based on GUI. Here I give the example using command prompt. It's very simple. 1. Type AXP username/password at TNS name. Username and password is user whose data or table we would like to export, and TNS name is connection name connecting client and server. 2. Enter array fetch buffer size. 3. The file location and name and then enter. 4. Choose between user or table, so we can export user or table, and type Y is sign for yes and yes again for the next question. How to import? Same with export, we can use command prompt or ISQL Plus to import. Here I give the example using CMD. It's same. We type emp username/password at TNS name. Username and password is user whose data or table you would like to import, and TNS name is connection name, connection client and server. Import file and type the location of tmp file and insert the buffer size and click enter. And list content of import file only, type T for Indonesia. Yes, so we deny the send this order. And 5. Ignore created error due to object existence, type T. Import grants, import that table data, type G if you want to import this. And the last, import entire export file, yes if yes, and T if you just import some file. So in the next we will choose which file we want to export if we choose T. Here is the schema. So it is database Oracle. We want to export and it makes file dump tmp, kemudian and then we import and we put in the database Oracle again or another. Oh, we have come to the end of this 4th meeting. Thank you guys and see you.